Hi there fellow guitarists, my name's Josh Rogers and welcome to NBN Guitar. In this, the first of two tutorials, I'm going to be taking you through Canarios by Gaspar Sanz. Remember, if you want to check out the score, there's a link in the description, and there's also a few other tidbits of information in the description as well. So make sure that you watch this and also have a look down there, and you'll find ways to access private videos that I have, special scores that have tabs and fingerings and so on, and yeah, a whole lot of information on my website. Anyway, let's play this. It starts off on the 3rd fret of the B string, just like that, followed by an open E on the 1st string. Then we have, that's open D and the 2nd fret on the 1st string together. And you're going to do a pull off to open, and then back to that 2nd fret. Then that's open B and the 3rd fret on the E string at the same time. Then a pull off to the 2nd and back to the 3rd on the 1st string. Then 3rd fret on the B and 2nd fret on the E together. Then open D. A pull off from 5 to 3 and then to 2 on the B string. Then open G and open B together. So there, we're hammering onto the 2nd of the B and then to the 3rd. Then open A and a trill from open to 2nd to open on the 1st string together, like that. So we have then 3, 2, 3 on the B string, followed by open D. Then we have this descending motif that goes like this. Okay, so let's try that. It's open D and a hammer from 2, 3 and then back to 2 on the 1st string at the same time. Then 4th fret on the A and open to open on the 1st string at the same time. Then 2nd fret on the A string and a hammer from 3, 5 back to 3 on the B string at the same time. Then I'm going to do a guide finger to there like that, and then we've got, okay, so that's open A, 2, 3, 2 on the B string at the same time, and then I'm guiding that to there. So then we're going to change strings. 2nd fret on the 6th string and a pull off from 2, 0, 2 on the G string at the same time. And then 3rd fret on the 6th string and a hammer from 0, 2, 3 on the B string at the same time. And then we're going to transfer that to the next strings, like that. It's open A and 0, 2, 3 on the 1st string together. And I'm hammering that first one. So from that descending motif, then that's open D and 2nd fret on the 1st string at the same time, and then followed by 3rd fret on the B. Then we're going to change positions to this. It's raining! What? I've been trying to get outside because I'm back in New Zealand now. This is actually the first tutorial I've filmed since I've been home, and I've been waiting for the weather. It's winter here in New Zealand and the weather's been so unpredictable. It'll be sunshiny and then rainy, and if you don't know much about New Zealand, New Zealand is known for 4 seasons in one day. I'll tell you, it's a bit like that today. Anyway, I'm going to persevere. I'll dry my guitar later. So we've got 5 on the 1st string followed by open D. Then 7 on the 1st string, then open G and then back to that 7th fret. And we're going to guide that. That's 9 on the 1st string, 7 on the D and then back to 9. Ten on the 1st string, 9 on the A string at the same time, and then do that 10 again. Then we're going to reflect that idea but a bit lower down. that is second fret on the first string, then open A, then 3 on the first, 2 on the A string, and then back. Then that sort of moves up, but I'm changing fingers. That's gone to the 5th fret on the first string and 4th fret on the A string, like that. Then back to this. Open D, 2nd fret on the first string, same time, followed by the 3rd fret. It's that little motif from here. Okay, so that's the next part. 2nd on the G, then 4th on the D, then 4 on the G, then 5 on the D, and then back to the G. Then move that along. 6, 7, 6. Then we've got 7, 7 on the G and B together, followed by open D. Then 5 on the first string, then open A. So it's back to that familiar chord. 3 on the first, 2 on the A, back to 3. Then open E, and then 4th fret on the A, back to that. So there we have open D and 3rd fret on the B together, and then 3rd fret on the B again, and then to the 5th fret on the first string. We have that's open D and a hammer from 2 to 3 and then to 5 on the first string together. Then open A and open E together, hammer to 2, then to 3 on the first string. So, then that again. Open D, 2nd fret on the first string together, followed by that 3rd fret on the B. So that's then up to the 10th fret on the first alone, then open G, open B, and 7th fret on the first string together, then hammer to 9 and then to 10. Then open E and open A together, then hammer to the 2nd, then to the 4th on the A. Then both these together, open D and 3rd fret on the B together. So that again. And then open D and a pull off from 3 to 2 on the B string. Then open B. Then open A and a hammer from 2 to 4 on the G string and then back. Then 0 2 0 on the G. Pull off from 4 to 2 and then to open on the D. Pull off from 5 to 3 and then to 2 on the first string. So open G and a pull off from 3 to 2 on the first string together, then to an open E. That's open A and 2nd fret on the G together, hammer to the 4th, then to the 2nd on the B. Back to the octave Ds, open D and 3rd fret on the B together. Octaves there, and then that D again, 3rd fret, then to the 5th fret on the first string. Then we have open D and a pull off from 3 to back to 3 on the first, on the 2nd string together. And then we have that open A and a hammer from 0 to 0 on the first string at the same time. So that's it. Chord that we've seen so many times. Open D, 2nd fret on the first string together, then to the 3rd fret on the B. So from Then open E, half bar at the 2nd fret. So it's 2nd fret on the G and 2nd fret on the E together. Hammering on to 3 on the 1st and then to 2. Then open A and a pull off from 5 to 3 to 2 on the 2nd fret, on the 2nd string at the same time. Then back to that. Open D. Oh, my guitar's going out of tune in this weather. Not surprised, I think it's about 11 degrees. So we've got that. 2 Ds, open and 3rd fret on the B. And then that again. Okay. Well, I'm going to get out of this horrible weather. I'm sure there's some of you out there going to be thinking, how can he possibly subject his guitar to the rain? I'm not too happy about it, but I care about all of you out there, and I've been really wanting to get the video out, and a little bit of rain is not going to stop me and my guitar in the camera. So that's me. I'm out of here. Enjoy, and as you know, let your fingers fly.